Ultimate Guide, How to Create Your Own Cryptocurrencies Token from Scratch, complete step-by-step tutorial. Attention, this could change your financial future forever. What you're about to learn is valuable. Most people talk about crypto. If you build it, if you're serious about financial freedom, passive income, and true ownership, pay close attention. Because this guide is your first step toward crypto mastery. Welcome to Wolver Channel, where blockchain dreams become reality. If you've ever wanted to launch your own cryptocurrency, today is the day you stop watching from the sidelines and step into the arena. This isn't just another basic token tutorial. This is your blueprint to creating, deploying, and launching a real functional cryptocurrency token, whether it's a meme coin, utility token, or the next DeFi revolution. Why you need to create your own token. Passive income machine earn transaction fees every time someone buys or sells your token. Build a loyal community. Turn followers into investors and believers. Raise capital fast, launch pre-sales, IDOs, or private sales to fund your vision. Master blockchain development, gain real-world skills that can make you unstoppable. This is your chance to stop dreaming and start building. Step 1. Setting up your development environment. In under 60 seconds. Tool of choice. Remix Z, the fastest, easiest way to code, compile, and deploy smart contracts without any installations. No downloads, works right in your browser. Built-in compiler debugger, no guesswork, just results. Deploy to any blockchain, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. Your choice. Action step. Open remix.eth right now and follow along. Step 2. Writing your token smart contract, even if you're not a coder. Create a new file, name it, mitoken.sol. Copy-paste a professional template or write it from scratch. We break it down line by line. Key elements. You must include token name symbol, total supply, how many tokens exist, core functions, transfers, balances, taxes. Pro tip, need a pre-audited, battle-tested contract? DM me for exclusive access. Step 3. Compiling your smart contract. Don't skip this. Open the Solidity compiler tab. Select the right compiler version. Hit compile green checkmark. You're golden. Errors? Fix them now. Don't risk deployment failures. Step 4. Deploying your token to the blockchain. Connect your wallet, MetaMask Trust Wallet. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your call. Enter initial supply. How many tokens will exist? Click Deploy. Confirm the transaction. Boom. Your token is live. Step 5. Verifying importing your token. Prove it's real. Find your contract address. It appears after deployment. Save this. Import into MetaMask Trust Wallet and paste the address and watch your tokens appear. Congratulations! You just created a real cryptocurrency. Again, if you want to create your crypto token, DM me on Telegram to get started. Don't wait until the market falling.